Hey drivers, this is Andrew at ThirdCoastRC here in Houston. Here we just arrived, the new Kaiju 8th scale brushless truck. So this is brand new, so we're going to do an unboxing of this. Just arrived from Redcat, so let's go ahead and break the seal and see what we got inside the box here. So all nicely packaged, nice and safe inside its box here, well packaged. Instruction manual with some extra stickers, some wrenches and little Allen keys. Out of the box, get the truck out the box. So here we go. Plastic cap off. So we've got in here radio. It's the standard RCR 2CE radio from Redcat Racing. We've got. Let's get the nice wheelie bar here. We're going to get these tire protectors off here. There we go. And this side. So here we are, brand new, straight out of the box. So this is it's an average size 8th scale. You know, I've seen some 8th scales that present a bit bigger than this, like the Terremoto, for example, from Redcat Racing. But it looks good. It's got these cool little clip holders, look, that keep the body clips, the body pins on. So let's pop the shell off here. Oh, look at that. That's cool. It's got this cool little, I don't know what you call it, a hairnet over the electronics there to stop dirt and dust getting in there. We've got the light wires going to the rear lights that this truck has, wires going to the front light that this truck has. Everything looks nice and well sealed. I was interested to see how it was set up from the factory, and you can see here that it is set up like it says to either use one 6S or one 4S, or you can run batteries in parallel. So you can run two 2S batteries, where you can use, run two batteries in series. So you can take off this this terminator here, and that will allow you to then run a pair of 2S to give you 4S total, or a pair of 3S to give you 6S total. So you have got a lot of battery options, and I was pleased to see that is included in the package here. So yeah, I mean, it looks nice. The suspension parts are, these are durable links here, heavy duty, big, strong. Let's turn it over. Look at the underside. We've got very strong suspension arms here, lower suspension arms. Nice chassis. We've got a little bit of exposure of the steering assembly here, the bottom of the servo. This is the steering arm. This is the servo arm. Not sure about that, though it looks fairly well protected by the rest of the suspension. Nice, simple layout here. Don't know what the axis is going to be like to the diffs, but it might not be too bad looking here. Relatively straightforward. Maybe have to take this bumper off, and perhaps this comes straight off there. We'll have to see. Access to the diffs is often quite important on these trucks. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go charge up a 6S battery and we'll post another video in the next couple of days about how it runs. The body is nice. It's nicely decaled. It's got, you know, painted on the inside, and got that kind of retro look to it. I've been looking forward to this truck because, you know, Redcat's 8th scale offerings have been a little bit limited recently to mainly the Team Redcat 6S BES 6S truck, the TR8E, but that truck's looks is not for everybody, though it is very tough and it is very durable. So we'll see what this one is like, and I'm really quite impressed with it right now. It's got full aluminum shocks here with threaded shock bodies. The receiver box here, all waterproofed and locked down. Wiring there, rear shocks the same. The wheelie bar is adjustable, so right now it's set quite high, quite very high. I might consider moving this out a bit so it doesn't wheelie up quite so high. Sometimes if they wheelie up too high, they'll roll over. Not sure if it's ball raced or not, but this is nice and smooth with a firm rubber pad on here for the wheelie bar. The tires, I did notice in the videos, the tires didn't really seem to balloon when the truck was in the air with the power on, so that sometimes a problem with these 8th scale trucks, that the tires can really balloon. We'll see when we run this one if they do or not, but with this kind of very square edged shape to them, I don't think they will. So first look, I mean, it looks a good truck. We'll see how it runs, and we'll see what the the parts availability is. We're going to try and keep as many parts in stock as possible here at ThirdCoastRC in Houston. So come back, check our channel over the next few days, and we will be posting a video of this truck running. We'll run it on 4S, we'll run it on 6S. So see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.